Let's talk about corporate credit. Some of you have LLCs and corporations. You have them for them. That's good. Now, what kind of credit have you built with that LLC or corp? We just recently filled out for a Fleet Flex card with Wex Fleet Flex card, and basically they gave us 20 grand in credit for gas, oil changes, tires, whatever. And you can limit that on each card. Like if you got someone subbing for you, they need gas or whatever to get back and forth to the job, you can give them a card and just make it for gas and oil or whatever. It has emergency tow on it, whatever, glass breakage, you name it. You can't use it for cash advance, but it can work for the running expenses of your vehicles. Okay. Remember, the reason to use corporate credit is not using your personal credit cards for your business. Keeps your balances lower on your personal cards, not to let your business affect your personal score. Okay. How many corps can you have? As many as you can handle. What you master in getting credit for one, you can easily duplicate for the other. What you'll need, you'll need a phone, possibly a website. They're cheaper than ever. What I use for fax is myfax.com. It just faxes right to my in-mail on my email box. Okay. To get work on corporate credit, here's the things you're going to need. You're going to need a Inc. or an LLC. You'll need what's called an EIN number or tax ID, a phone number connected to that business, as well as a bank account. And once you have those four things established, the Inc. or the LLC, tax ID, phone number, bank account, then you want to have, probably the first time around, you want to at least have 2 to 5K as a balance in your corporate bank account. And generally speaking, if they ask what you normally spend, ask for an extra 1,000 or 2,000 more than you normally spend, so they'll give you a higher credit limit. And like I said, you're not getting these credit cards just to go out and have some free spending. Basically, you get these credit cards to preserve your cash, and also you can use it on the normal expenses in your business to preserve your cash. In other words, if you have a light bill on a rental property or you're rehabbing it, you put it in a corporate name. You can also pay it with your corporate credit card till you get it up and running, stuff like that. Okay, this is my short YouTube to kind of, I know a lot of people's got LLCs and corporations, just don't know what kind of credit limits you built with that. That's one thing to work on. As you get your corporation up and running with some credit and stuff, then you can always go back. If you've got 10 or 15 rentals, you can always go back and get a line of credit developed for your corporation if you're not there yet. But there's a lot of newer people coming on board. They want to get into real estate. I suggest an LLC, get a tax ID, phone number, bank account, and start working on building your credit even before you buy your first property. Because the thing about it is, once you got your corporate credit built, that will help you towards getting your properties, get them in rehab, what have you. Okay, this is a short YouTube talking about corporate credit, what you need, re-emphasizing it. I'd say fill out 3 or 4 credit apps at the same time. That way you don't have constantly inquiries because you're taking your time. Spend about 4 or 5 hours, get on it, fill out some corporate credit cards. And then you're not going to have personal inquiries if you have to guarantee your corporate credit to start with till you get your corporation credit built. Okay. For office supplies, you can always go to quill.com, fill out for quill.com. If you need any help on this, email me, investorlandlord@gmail.com. I'll get back with you on it. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this YouTube.